Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WordPress on XAMPP for Windows step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that XAMPP is installed on your Windows computer. If you haven't done so, visit the official XAMPP website to download the latest version. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and install XAMPP in the default directory. After installation, launch the XAMPP control panel. In the control panel, start the Apache and MySQL modules by clicking the Start buttons next to each. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.org. Click on the Get WordPress button to download the latest version of WordPress. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded .zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click the .zip file and select Extract All to unzip it. Choose a destination folder for the extracted files, preferably on your desktop for easy access. Once extracted, open the folder and copy all the WordPress files. Navigate to the XAMPP installation directory, usually located at c:\xampp\htdocs:. Inside the docs folder, create a new folder and name it WordPress. Paste the WordPress files into the newly created WordPress folder. Next, open the XAMPP control panel again and click on the Admin button next to MySQL. This action will open phpMyAdmin in your web browser. In phpMyAdmin, click on the Databases tab at the top. Create a new database by entering a name, such as WordPress, and click Create. Now, open your browser and type http://localhost/WordPress in the address bar. This will launch the WordPress installation wizard. Select your preferred language and click Continue. Follow the prompts to enter your database details. In the database name field, enter the name of the database you just created. Leave the username as root and leave the password field blank. Click Submit to proceed. If everything is correct, click Run the installation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.